is gonna be ready for the snow. Let Daddy see him. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Devin. You getting ready to go outside?
Yes. Get your gloves on.
Those are mittens.
Mittens, yes. Thick and thick. Be careful. We gotta be careful. Wow. It's crunchy.
Coming.
It's snow.
Come. Come, mommy.
I'm coming.
Hurry.
Whoa. 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 Do you need help? Oh, you like it. Whoa. Oh, it's the going from this to the grass is where it got him.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need help?
Coming. Whoa.
Stand up, Devin. Will
Want
mommy help you?
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Coming. 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 Coming.
Is it cold?
Cold. Coming. Coming. Here, mommy.
Oh, he fall down.
Down.
What you got there?
Debbie, mommy got her gloves. And I got an orange coat so I can match you.
Yes, mommy.
Wow, look at you.
Yeah.
You tried to make him do a snow angel?
No.
Oh, he looked like he was trying to do it on his own.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you do it. You like it. You like mommy to get you with the snow. Are you going to catch it? I threw it. I threw it at the tiger, yeah. Here, I'll give you some ammunition. Mommy's going to give you... Oh, you got your own ammunition?
A cold.